Hi friends, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Ayurveda Lifestyle. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a great lymphatic drainage massage release technique. It's just literally one basic move and it really will make a difference for glowing skin, removing toxins and waste within the neck area, but also the facial area. Now, I do like to start off, as you can see, with clean skin, and I'm just going to use a little bit of facial oil here, just so we've got a kind of like slip and glide. You don't want to be compromising the skin by dragging and pulling at it. So first of all, let's just gently place the facial oil onto the neck area and also under the jawline, side of the ears and the side of the neck. Now, first of all, we're going to take our fingers here, and I'm just going to very gently glide from under the collarbone towards the armpit. This is almost just prepping, if you like, getting ready for this great move we're about to do. And you want a fairly flat hand so you've got more surface area. And on the other side. So once we've done that, we're going to take our fingers here, place one hand almost as an anchor onto just under the collarbone, place the other fingers onto the collarbone here, just above, and we're going to very lightly glide in an upwards motion along the neck towards the jawline. Then we're going to come across the jawline where we have plenty of lymph nodes towards the ears. And then you want to place some fingers behind the ear and another finger or two, if you like, it doesn't matter how many, in front of the ear, as long as you've got fingers in front and behind. And then you want to gently glide down the big SEM muscle. You may want to swallow while you're doing this, down to the point of the shoulder, the collarbone, and then come down again. Let's do this another 2 times. So again, gently gliding up the neck area towards the jawline, coming along the ear, and then if you like, you can just, before we go down to the SEM muscle, you can just glide either side of the ear with the fingers. Again, we have plenty of lymph nodes here, and this will really help remove those toxins and waste along the jawline area, facial area, and the neck. And then glide down the big SEM muscle almost towards where the shoulder bone is here, and then downwards. And let's do this one more time on this side, up. And this is a light, delicate touch. The lymph is very close also to the surface of the skin, so you don't need to be heavy-handed. And then glide all the way down to the collarbone at the front here. So let's do the other side and even ourselves out. So taking our finger under the collarbone, fingers above, fairly flat for more surface area, glide upwards towards the neck and the jawline, glide along the jawline where we have plenty of lymph nodes towards the ears, and then just lightly come down either side of the ears. Doesn't matter how many fingers you have at the front or at the back, but as long as you've got fingers on either side, moving everything along, and then glide down the big SEM muscle down to the collarbone and slightly lower. We do this 2 more times, coming up, working our way along the jawline, nice and light, and again just moving this down. And this is such a great technique, and whatever facial massages I do, I always finish off with this technique because it just releases all the toxins and waste we've been moving around in the facial and the neck area here. And coming down and along the collarbone to the front here. And then to finish off, we're going to come from our chin all the way down to our collarbone. And just above, we have some indentations here, if you like. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this area. This will also help with glowing skin, if you like, into the body, ready for elimination. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And also comment down below as well, tell me what you thought of this technique, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.